How to enable website dark theme on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable website dark theme on Samsung Internet Browser. First then open the browser and this one here in the bottom corner, click these three lines and then click settings, and here you will find this one here, labs. Click on it and then just click this one, enable website dark theme, and go back. It will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.